Hey guys, Joe Serrano here, back at it again with another video, and today I have two drones from DJI. This is the newest drones that DJI just released. This is the DJI Lito X1 and the DJI Lito 1. So I'm gonna tell you guys their main differences and which drone is for you. First things first, in terms of physical features, they look the same. But if you notice, if you look closely, the Lito 1 has a lighter gray color, where the Lito X1 has a slightly darker tone in terms of its gray color. And let's talk about its camera features. So the main difference here is that the Lito X1 uses a 1/1.3-inch sensor, whereas the Lito 1 uses a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. So what does that mean? So basically, the Lito X1 has a better dynamic range, better low light, and it uses the log-M for color grading. Whereas Lito 1, it basically is good for casual shooting. So if you're not a serious shooter, this is a good drone for you. So again, in terms of the camera feature, the Lito X1 uses an f1.7 aperture, whereas the Lito 1 uses a 1.8. So there's a slight differences, but the quality is there for the Lito X1. Now, in terms of its safety features, they both use omnidirectional obstacle vision sensor. But the main difference is the Lito X1 uses LiDAR. So this is perfect, especially if you're trying to avoid obstacles, especially when you're launching a drone in certain situations like trees, you're launching it inside a house, or you want to have a precise landing when you're landing this drone. So in terms of storage, both drones can insert a micro SD card, but the Lito X1 has a built-in storage of 42 gigabytes. Now, both drones are less than 249 grams, so this is perfect for international travels. And they also have the same battery life in terms of the standard battery. So let's now talk about its price range. So the Lito 1 stands at 18,390 for its standard package, whereas the Lito X1 stands in 22,690. So of course, there's a slight difference, a little bit more expensive for the Lito X1. But if you ask me, if you're a beginner who wants to have serious quality in terms of your shots, then the Lito X1 is for you. Whereas if you are just a casual shooter, you don't mind sacrificing the other specs that the X1 has, then this Lito 1 is for you. So, what do you guys think about the DJI Lito X1 and the DJI Lito 1? And which drone do you guys want to have as part of your arsenal? Comment down in the comment section. If you guys like this video, please give it a like and share it to your friends. And if you guys want to be updated in my next content, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. See you guys.